What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So today I've got an awesome video for you guys on how to paint over a glossy surface, in particular a stained or varnished surface. So we've got here a cupboard with a door and you can see just how glossy that is. It's got a nice sheen to it, very smooth surface, and we need to change this to an enamel white. Now the reason why we're changing it over is the rest of the house, for whatever reason, is all in white, except for this cupboard here, this one window, and also the skirting boards inside the room, or the baseboards, whatever you guys want to call it. Now, without the need of a deglosser or some sort of stripper or even a sander. So we're not going to have to sand this, we're not going to have to scuff it up. We're going to be using our Zinza 123. And this one here is going to allow us to basically have a nice surface to paint our enamel paint on. The two best things about this one here, number one, it's water-based, so it's going to be so much easier to clean up once we're done. Number two is that it basically sticks to anything. So even a glossy surface like we've got here that's been varnished, this is going to be a perfect primer to allow our enamel paint to stick to it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. No need for sandpaper, no need for a deglosser or any kind of paint stripper or varnish stripper. It's going to take you a long time and cost you money anyway. Best thing to do is get yourself some Zinza 123, the blue one. They've got a whole different range. Blue one's what we need. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So once everything's been primed and painted, guys, this is the finish you guys can expect. So from a stained or varnished glossy finish to a nice, perfect painted surface. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. This is one of the best ways out there to avoid the manual labor of scrubbing and sanding, and also having to use any kind of paint stripper, varnish stripper, anything like that. Nice and simple. We've got the window here that's also been done. A little bit hard to tell because of the light outside, but that, guys, is the finished product. All of this was all a varnished timber before, and now we've got a perfect finish, perfect coverage, and we've got perfect adhesion. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.